Hey guys! Alright, I have a very short, impromptu unboxing this month because I didn't even get my tripod out. I only have 5 things. I did another small order this month. Emma Jane's very interested in what's in the box. Can you say box? No? You camera shy? So this is back-to-back months of very small orders. Again, trying to save a little money, use my points, that kind of thing. So I did a small order this month, but I'm going to the beach today on vacation, so I had to do this before we went, because 2 things in here I had to have before vacation, and I'm actually shocked that it came in time, because you know about Young Living's shipping situation. It came in like a week. I ordered on the 1st. Today's the 4th. It came yesterday, so in 3 days. This is shocking, people, shocking. Okay, show them the first thing. Show them. Show it. What is it? We're not going to open it. Say Life 9. Life 9. Mommy's probiotic. What do you know about that? I get it every month. Great for your gut. Well, I guess every other month now. Whoa! What is it? Okay, this I had to have for the beach. The Lavaderm After Sun Spray. Y'all, go ahead and add it to your order. You need it for the summer. This stuff is amazing. It is a spray bottle, but it's like a spray lotion, and it says for pain and itch, soothes and cools skin, immediate relief. It has something in it. Can I see it? There's something in it that like helps burns. Like obviously lavender, but there's something else in it that's supposed to like heal burns, and it's truly amazing. Like I pulled out my bottle from last year the other day to use, and it's empty. I don't even know why I didn't throw that away. I got a few little squirts out of it for my sunburn after we went to the water park the other day, but I'm so glad that came in before the beach because it was a must-have. Shake, shake, shake. The next thing we got is Kid Sense Sniffles. I actually did not get Sleepy Eyes this month. I told y'all that I was going to stop buying that and just use lavender in her diffuser because of how like gross it was making the diffuser. But she has had been really snotty and stuff lately. I think she's teething, cutting some more teeth. So we've been using the Sniffles nonstop. And what is she doing? My child's so weird. And I realized that my Sleepy Eyes is pretty much out too. Don't eat that. That's so yucky. And then I grabbed another Thieves hand sanitizer, which I'm not happy about their repackaging because I have little cute containers, or like little cute cute little sanitizer holders for like my purse and diaper bag and stuff that are shaped like the old bottles. So what am I supposed to do with this now? I don't even know. But I just got that to put in my purse. And then the last thing is the Savvy Minerals bronzer. It's the Crowned All Over. I had to have this for the beach because I get really tan really quickly in the summer, and my face or my makeup doesn't match like my skin anymore. So I had to have this. Perfect timing. So there's like the shortest haul ever with like the least amount of things ever, but there you go. And I do regret not getting a CBD this month because I've gone a couple days, excuse me, ma'am. I've gone a couple days without it, and I'm like, okay, I actually really need it. And I only have like a little bit left in my other bottle. So might have to do a quick order for that guy. Emma Jane, can you say bye-bye?
Bye-bye.
Thanks for watching. If you have any questions or any suggestions of things that I should get next month below, let me know.